Civil authorities in your area have issued a civil danger warning for Baltimore. At around 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a unknown creature has been spotted roaming across the city of Baltimore. It is unknown if it's dangerous or what its intentions are. Stay inside at all times. Lock doors and windows. Stay in an interior building with a few windows and doors as possible. Tune into this station for further updates. The Baltimore Police Department has issued a law enforcement warning for the city of Baltimore. The unknown creature is very dangerous and is killing everyone it sees in its path. Please stay indoors or seek immediate shelter now. Lock all windows and doors or stay in an interior building with a few doors and windows as possible. The police department are trying their best to kill this creature but have failed. This is not a test. Repeat. This is not a test. Administrative message. The unknown creature has been killed and you may resume all normal activity at this time. Repeat. The unknown creature has been killed and you may resume all normal activity at this time.